My name's Payne, and I'll be showing you how to connect Android Auto to your new BMW X1. So first, we're going to navigate to the settings menu of our phone, hit the gear icon. Now that we're in settings, we're going to tap connections. Then we're going to select Bluetooth. Now that we're at our Bluetooth menu, on the car's touchscreen display, we're going to select Connect Phone. And then our device has already been found by our car, so we're going to select. Now on our phone, it's going to ask us to confirm that both codes match, and then we're going to select Pair. Now the phone asks if we want it to allow access to contacts. We'll select Allow. And then on the car, we will select Start Android Auto. And there you have it. You have access to Android Auto.